Buckle up, car enthusiasts. It's time to unveil the stunning 2025 Audi Q5 Sportback. This isn't just another SUV, it's a game changer. The Q5 Sportback blends the practicality of an SUV with the sleek, dynamic styling of a coupe. Outside, it's got a sporty silhouette with a sloping roofline, sharp headlights, and twin round tailpipes on the S model. Talk about turning heads on the road. Step inside and you'll find a high-tech, user-centric cabin. With Audi's MMI panoramic display and sustainable materials, it's modern luxury redefined. Under the hood, choose from a range of powerful engines, including a punchy 2.0 TFSI or a beastly 3.0 V6 in the SQ5 Sportback. Plus, the mild hybrid system boosts performance and efficiency. And let's not forget about practicality. Up to 1,415 liters of cargo space and a towing capacity of 2,400 kilograms. The price is to be determined. The 2025 Audi Q5 Sportback is ready to hit the streets in May 2025. Ready for a test drive? Your new adventure awaits.